I just finished my hair. I ended up doing jumbo box braids just because I'm trying to protect the style majority of the time because I'm sick of doing my hair. It is currently 2:49 a.m. So basically 3 a.m. and I just finished. I started around 9 or 10. I've just been kind of like going slow watching Jersey Shore. So before we get too deep into this, make sure that you guys click that subscribe button so that you guys never miss a video because I upload videos every single Sunday. And also push the post notification bell so that you guys are notified every time I upload a video. Make sure that you guys like this video and comment down below. But I'm gonna give you guys a few details first before we get started. So the hair that I like to use is the Innocence Spectra hair. It's the easy braid. It's pre-stretched and pre-layered and all that stuff, so you don't have to like stretch it and stuff, so it makes it go by a little bit quicker. It's really long. On me, it comes to about below my butt, like way below my butt. But yeah, I like this hair because it's pre-stretched and because it is antibacterial and anti-itch. I have a really sensitive scalp, so it's great for like not breaking out my scalp because I've had that happen before and it's not fun. So yeah, I use this on myself and I recommend it on my clients when I do their hair. I'm sure that you guys have heard this before, but for like smoothing out the roots and helping to blend like my hair in with the braiding hair, I like to use the Shine and Jam. I like to use the orange, because orange, right? Synthetic hair is really drying, so it's a conditioning gel and it has extra hold. And it says good for natural hair and it has honey extract, so it's really moisturizing. I like to use this on my edges when I have braids because I'm not mixing products and it's less likely to flake up. So yeah, without further ado, we're gonna get right into this tutorial. Okay, so to start off, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I section and part my hair. So it's a box and I am taking the Shine and Jam and putting it around the root. And then I'm taking a fine tooth comb and smoothing it out. And then I'm going to twist it into place to hold it while I go to get a rubber band. I like using rubber bands on jumbo box braids because it just gives it a sleeker look at the top. And so I am doing that. And so now I'm going to show you guys how I attach the hair. So you guys saw it's like a medium thick length. And so I'm attaching it around the rubber band. My index finger is in between the two and I'm going to twist it around and then I'm going to start braiding, and I braid underhand, and so I'm continuing to pull it underneath, and so I'm going to pull it underneath and move it to the middle, pull it underneath and move it to the middle. Once I get to the piece to the middle, I'm going to pull hair from the sides in order to make the middle piece longer, the same length as the braiding hair. I'm adding braiding hair to the middle. It's going to be a better clip that shows it a little bit better, but I am just continuing to braid underhand while I am adding the hair in at the same time. And so I'm going to continue to braid down, and as you can see, my hair is sticking out at the bottom, and so I'm going to add the Shine and Jam, which is going to add extra moisture to my hair while also blending it into the synthetic braiding hair. And I am going to start braiding it normally again, and you won't feel a difference. It's just going to blend a little bit better, and I'm going to continue to braid down. But I'm going to show you guys this one more time. And so I'm adding the hair around the rubber band. This is in real time, by the way. And so my index finger is in between the two and I'm twisting it around, and I am just pulling it underneath to the middle. So once I get to the middle, I am just pulling hair right here. I'm pulling hair like that with my index finger, and then I'm adding it to the middle, and then I'm going to braid underhand, and I'm going to pull hair and add it to the middle and continue to braid underhand. And I am just continuing to braid down while moving the hair. And so once again, to better blend my hair with the bottom and add extra moisture, I'm adding the conditioning Shine and Jam gel, and I am pulling it down into the braiding hair to smooth it all together, and then I'm going to continue to braid down.
So that is basically it. It's really simple once you try it. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this, and I will see you guys next time.